What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Today's July 5th. I'm going to harvest my garlic today and bring you along. Hopefully everything turns out okay. Some of the stems look like they've died back pretty good, so we'll hop in and check them out. I'm digging 2 inches around the bulb so that when I go to pull it, I can get the bulb and the stem still intact and I don't damage either one. So the ORG, this was the organic garlic from the store. Give it a little weeding too. I think as I continue to add organic matter, the cloves or the bulbs are going to do much better. But it's just so thick, this soil. I'm just happy with whatever I get right now. Had a feeling that was going to happen. So not horrible. Ooh, really smells good. Here's that red and chillum garlic. I only have a couple of those, it looks like. Hey, once again, I'm just happy I got some garlic. Come on out of there, little buddy. Oh, you stinker. Not too bad for my first garlic harvest. I'll show it to you now. This is that red and chillum. I thought that there was some more, but I think they died back so much that I can't see where they were. And then this was the organic garlic that we picked up from the store. Unfortunately, all the garlic that I had that was California early didn't sprout at all. So I don't know if I just had a bad batch. One thing that I'm going to definitely do to help the harvest out for next year is I'm going to amend the soil heavily right now with some compost, and then again before I plant. So hopefully they have looser soil and enough food to get them through winter and then into the spring. Well, thank you for coming along and watching this garlic harvest. Everybody have a nice day.